We've all experienced that moment when a trip to the salon results in a haircut that leaves us feeling uncertain about our appearance. While it can be shocking to adapt to shorter hair, it's important to remember that it will grow back over time. Embrace a new hair care routine that requires less upkeep, and consider a follow-up appointment for a more flattering shape if your cut wasn't what you wanted. Short hair can be stylish, so take the opportunity to showcase your versatility, finding inspiration from celebrities who rock similar lengths. Use hair products to create various styles, and if you're struggling to adjust, consider wearing a wig temporarily. Maintain a healthy hair care regimen by avoiding excessive heat and harsh treatments, and complement your routine with a nutritious diet to support hair growth. Ultimately, the key is to embrace your new look with confidence and creativity.